You too can make jollof rice. With these easy steps I'm about to show you, you can make the best and authentic Nigerian jollof rice. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I explore the world through food, deep conversation, and personal growth. This recipe is a very special one from my mom's kitchen, and you also are familiar with this recipe. This is Nigerian jollof rice. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In a pot, we add some vegetable oil and we add some onions. We saute this for about 3 minutes and then we add our tomato and pepper mix. The trick in this recipe is to cook your pepper mix properly. If you cook this and your tomato paste properly, you're gonna get the best jollof rice you've ever had. Now when we let that cook for about 7 minutes, we then add some tomato paste. I stir this all to combine and I let it cook for an additional 5 minutes. This is the secret to that smoky, tasty jollof rice. After I let that cook for a few minutes, I added some spices. I added some jollof spice, then I added some of my ginger, garlic, thyme and curry with some dried pepper. I mixed this all together and I added my seasoning cube. I stir this all to combine. After adding my seasoning cube and stirring, I let this cook for an extra 5 minutes. After this has cooked, I added my washed rice into the mix. I stir this all to combine. After stirring this, I added some water. You do not want to add too much water to this. Steam cooks jollof rice and not water. And then I added some salt and I stirred this all to combine. Now to give it that smoky taste and to let the steam cook, I put in some foil and I cover this up and I let this cook for 25 minutes. After letting this cook, my rice is soft and then I threw in some onion and some butter. This is optional. You can do this or not. Your rice should have started burning at this point. We want that smoky firewood taste. So let me stir this up together, let it cook for an additional 5 minutes and then your jollof rice is ready. Voila! You can pair this with some chicken or some fish and plantain. So that's how to make this smoky jollof rice. This is what we have here. A smoky jollof rice. So now we're going to do a taste test and I already know that this is going to be fantastic. It's smoky, it's flavorful, and this is fantastic. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.